Hello traders, and good to be with you. Welcome to a Wednesday. It is December 6th, 2017. Good to be with you. A beautiful day here in Thailand. Nice and cool this morning, bright blue sunny skies. It looks like it's going to be an awesome day today. Anyhow, let's get to it. Let's talk about what's going on the economic calendar today. But before we do that, let's take a look at our indices. S&P 500 futures is positive 0.08%. NASDAQ futures is positive 0.07%, with the Dow 30 negative 0.42%, and the small cap 2000 is negative 1.01%. And the DAX is negative 0.08. The Nikkei 225 is negative 0.047. And the US dollar index is up 0.02, hanging out at that 93.25 area. Let's take a look at what our oil is doing today. And gold is still below that 1,300 mark at 1,287 and what is that? 30 cents. Also, we got WTI is at 57.36 this morning, and Brent is above that $60 at 62.58. U.S. coffee is down 0.93%. All right, that is what is going on. Let's see what's happening in the calendar. So we had some data come out earlier today. GDP out of Australia was not good. It was 0.6 versus 0.7. And that's already out. So what's coming up? We have CPI out of the Swiss. We have retail PMI out of Europe. ECB's got some speakers, and German 10-year Bund auction is today. U.S. has ADP non-farm employment numbers changed today. For those of you who don't know what ADP is, that is a payroll company. And you can have a one-man company or you can have a 10,000-man company. And they're in the United States, and they do all your payroll. They do your taxes, they do deductions, whatever you want it done with your check, how you want to do it, whatever. They take care of everything. So it sort of gives us an idea of how the country's doing that month when ADP comes out with their numbers. Out of the U.S., we have non-farm productivity today. We do have Russian crude oil inventories, and of course, crude oil inventories come out today. BOC, Bank of Canada interest rate decision comes out today. And those are the big ones for today, my friends. We've got some news to keep us going here. Looks like the second half of London is going to be pretty slow until we hit that New York Open. All right, let's get to the charts today. And here's the New Zealand dollar. Why is that doing that? Why is that doing that? That's pretty weird, huh? That shouldn't be doing that. There we go. Okay. Oh. Whoa. All right, come on down there, boys. There you go. All right. So here's in New Zealand. You know, this closed the gap from yesterday. So here we are. You know, really, there's really nothing to do here on this unless this gets back up to here, right? It's got to get back up to 69 or 68.90, somewhere in there, and we can sell it. There's nothing to do where it is right now. Even if it gives you a nice bearish candle here, you just don't want to sell it here. You're trading right into right here, and that's support. Right? You're trading right into support. So nothing to do. We need this pullback to come in. There's a good chance, being, you know, the day before NFP. You know, I don't know. We got NFP on Friday, right? So we'll see. A lot of times the markets slow down, but usually not till Thursday into London lunch, and then after that it starts to fizzle. And then Friday, it's pretty quiet until we actually get the NFP numbers. Traders just don't want to trade. So we'll see how it goes, but nothing to do here on this until we get a pullback, like I said, all the way up to that 68.90 area. All right, let's take a look at the Great British Pound. We call it the beast. It's a pound yen here. Really, again, not a lot to do here, my friends. This is on a down move. We just need that pullback. Don't want to be chasing it, right? So we don't want to be chasing. So we're going to take it from this high here, and we'll just take it down here. And yeah, so we need to pull back up to this 151.80 area, say right there. Really, I'd rather get higher, to be honest with you. Yeah, that looks like that's going to be about it, I would say. So if we can get a 150, 180 there, we can take it down from there, but we definitely need a pullback. We don't want to be selling this, right? We don't want to be selling this. We're in support. So we don't want to do that. How can you trade when it's at support and it breaks support? What I like to look at is if it breaks support, what we want to see is we want to see it retest that which is now resistance and then take it in the direction that you want to take. In this case, we'd be selling it. So we'd have to break support, come back up, retest that price level, and then we can sell it back, okay? Because now that's resistance. We always know that, we buy at support and we sell at resistance. That's like Forex day 2 of class, okay? So that's what we're doing there. I'm just taking a look at some other charts, see if anything's happening. Euro yen pretty much looks the same here. Yeah, look at this. Like, there is nothing you can do here, folks. Really, absolutely nothing here. I'm all about the fib, and I'm okay with it. Whoa, hold on there, Jackson. So, like, where do you want this to come up to? Well, I got to be honest with you. This has got to at least come up to the 618, right? So the 618, at a minimum, you'd want to see that come up to here. And even if it came out to the 786, there's another entry for you. So you got 2 entries there, and see how that goes. So yeah, on these 30-minute chart, just keep it there. That's how I would look at it. But you just don't want to sell it here. You're selling into support. All right, what are we going to look at next, my friends? Let's. I was looking at the dollar yen earlier today. USD JPY. And this thing, as you can see, is it's just sideways, right? There's really nothing to go. I'm sort of a little bit maybe looking for a bullish move here. So I'm looking for this to head up. But I need it up here, right? We need it back up here if you're going to sell it, right? If you're going to sell it, you need it up here. If you don't want to sell it and you want to buy it, well, you're in the perfect spot. You're in the perfect spot if you want to buy it and take it to the upside. Understanding that if you buy this, it's a counter-trend trade. The trend on this pair is bearish, okay? So if you buy it, remember it's a counter-trend trade. And take a look left of the chart. If you take a look left of the chart, you can see we have a lot of stuff. There's a level, right? Here's a level. This is a level. So every time you get to one of these levels, you're going to get to a point where price is probably going to either bounce or reverse, okay? So it makes it very hard. I got to tell you, maybe 10% out of the whole year do I actually take counter-trend trades. I really try to stay with the trend and, just stay with the flow of the currency pair on the time frame that I'm looking. Also looking at higher time frames. I like doing the top-down analysis. Look at a daily, look at a 4-hour, and then look at a 1-hour. And of course, I trade on the 30-minute in and out of my trades. And that's basically what we do. And you can do that really quick. It doesn't take a lot of time just to look at those charts and see if there's something that you need to be aware of at a certain price level. Okay. Now, I don't have EMAs on this chart, but I would have a 200 exponential moving average at a minimum on your chart. 200, it's like a magnet. Price just glues to that 200 exponential moving average. All right, traders, that's it for me. I really don't see a lot going on. I just see the Euro Aussie just spiked up there. It's at the 200 exponential moving average if you want to take a peek at that. Traders, have a great trading day on this Wednesday, middle of our trading week. And I'll be at the trading desk today, trading Forex. Traders, always remember to trade smart, not hard. We'll catch you tomorrow morning in Asia. Take care now. Bye-bye.